Hi! Welcome to TMetric Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Azure DevOps workspace to the TMetric time tracker and track time spent working on work items. I have already installed the TMetric browser plugin and configured its settings to enable time tracking for external systems. Please make sure you add the allowed links for Azure DevOps in the plugin settings. Now I switch to my Azure DevOps instance, navigate to my work items, and select the first of the created ones. Once I start the timer, the Start Timer button changes to the Stop Timer and displays the time spent on the work item. At the same time, a corresponding time entry appears in TMetric on the time page, and it contains a backlink to the Azure DevOps Services work item. This time entry can be edited. I can modify its description, project, duration, and the link to the work item won't be lost. Now I switch to another work item in Azure DevOps without stopping the timer for my current job. A new time entry is created in TMetric, and by clicking the link icon next to the task name, I can easily navigate back to Azure DevOps. Finally, let's generate a report to see how much time I have recorded while working in Azure DevOps. If need be, it's possible to export the report data to CSV or PDF. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.